One of the things I learned in astronomy is simply how big space is and how far away everything is. Are we really alone in the universe? And that's why my interest actually became the solar system, because it's like our own backyard. It's something that we can tangibly understand in our lifetime and answer really important questions. Heliospace is a small, agile, highly capable, multi-purpose aerospace company that produces flight hardware, systems engineering, and mission formulation services to NASA, nonprofits, and commercial customers. Heliospace makes stuff that goes into space. Building hardware for spaceflight is a difficult business, and Heliospace relies on precision machining.
Getting custom parts manufactured has always been a struggle.
He was the guy I said, Joe, please make this work, make something work.
All our normal vendors were quoting things at 6 weeks plus, and we needed stuff yesterday. So we came across Fictiv, had started a conversation with them to see what their shops could handle. I'm sending off complex parts. I'm sending off parts that I need turned around within days. And I'm getting emails back almost instantly, asking smart questions so that when I got the part back in my hand, it was what I wanted.
Fictiv stood out because it was clear that they were engaged in this very actively, and they were responsive to us on an individual company level.
And the difference that Fictiv has is that turnaround time. You know, I have a concept in my head, I throw it up on a website, I get the part back 3 days later. I don't think there's anything faster.
An instance where using Fictiv helped us win a large contract was for a candidate NASA mission. But this candidate mission had an Achilles heel. It had a piece of technology that had not been fully developed enough. And using Fictiv was an integral part of our solution because we were simply able to build a prototype of the system so quickly, get the real physical unit, run an actual test, and show results to NASA that this problem was fixed.
I remember one part I made for a magnetometer. If you looked at it on paper, it's just a cylinder, but the complexity of what we were asking them to do on the inside of that cylinder was quite detailed, and so it wasn't going to be an easy thing to machine. But Fictiv found a way.
Fictiv's participation in our process is crucial in terms of our ability to design, deliver, for our customers and for ourselves.
It's almost a pinch yourself moment coming in every day. People are trusting millions of dollars to go into the projects I'm working on, and they're going to end up on the moon. They're going to end up orbiting Jupiter. They're going to go to Jupiter's moons.
I feel like the gladiator running into the arena, knowing we've got problems that we might not know the answer to, but the battle is worth it for humanity, for our planet, for our children, and it's an extraordinary feeling.